चलो आओ तेरे पढ़. Hello everyone, this Lady here from Sumaya Weaves. So today I'm here extremely excited to announce you all that we are starting a new program known as Kotha Barta. It's basically a chatting with my weaver. So this is a series where I am about to speak to weavers across Orissa state and bring to you sari making stories from the loom. From our very first topic, I am here to talk about the process of applying starch to Nuapatna saris. Application of starch in Nuapatna saris, Nuapatna handloom sari is an age of old tradition. The application of starch makes the sari little brittle. So here I'm here to explain the brittleness goes away after wearing a few times, and also wanted to show you like what is the difference between the uh, sari without starch and with starch. So on the other side uh, of the camera, as you can see, two of my viewers are there. Mr. Mayadar Babu and Mr. Ratnakar Babu will be showing us the difference between the saris of the Nuapatna saris. These saris are Khondua saris, as there is a misconception in the market that these saris are made in plastic, so and they are fake. So they are here to explain the different, to show us the process of starch addition to the saris and why this is 100% handloom saris. So Madhur Babu, so today I'll be speaking to them in to Madhur Babu and Ratnakar Babu in English, as they are not comfortable to speak in Hindi. So and I'll ask few questions, and in the meantime I'll just translate whatever they are saying in Odia. I'll translate to you all in English. So Madhur Babu, ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ମୋତେ ଗୋଟେ क्वेश्चन ପଚାରିଥିଲା कि ए जो खंडुआ साड़ी बुणा जाउची एटारे कौन सिल्क मिसिची, को सिल्क रे आपण खंडुआ साड़ी बनाउछंती?
Bangalore silk रे बना.
So the first question, as you heard, that I have asked what silk they use. So they weave this Khondwa sari. The Nuapatna saris are made by Bangalore silk. Our ply kete?
2 ply रे 3 ply and 3 ply रे बुना है.
So the ply which they use is basically 2 ply by 3 ply. अच्छा, लोको पचरंती कि एथरे प्लास्टिक यूज करा होची.
प्लास्टिक किछे याउनी ये बैंगलोर सिल्क रे एटा लूम रो आछि एथरे स्टार्च दिया है नी. स्टार्च देला परे एमती हार्ड हे जाय. हार्ड देला परे लोको भाबंती जे एटा प्लास्टिक मिसा रे किंतु प्लास्टिक रे काम हे परिबनी प्लास्टिक.
So people actually, basically, a lot of people say that they use plastics in weaving Nuapatna saris. But as you can see, the weaver is holding two saris. In Madhur Babu is holding the blue one. The dark blue one is without starch, is just out from the loom. And the other Ratnakar Babu is holding the sari, which they have used starch on it. So as you can see here, the starch one is slightly brittle, is little bit harder, and the one which Mayadar Babu is holding is without starch, is very soft. आपण टिके खोली के देखि पारे हार्ड केमती रहुची. So as you can see, when he is opening the starch sari, is little bit brittle, but don't worry, this brittleness will goes away once you wear them like couple of times. It generally goes away, so it doesn't stay. And the sari which, as you can see, Mayadar Babu is holding and folding it, this is just fresh out from the loom. It doesn't have starch on it, so it's very, very soft. So basically this video is just to show you the difference between the starch and without starch. Both the saris are same, just the difference is one has starch and one doesn't have starch. So the process how they do is, once the sari is out from the loom, they take for the last final processing, they give a starch on it so that the sari has little bit strength on it, because the ply is little bit less, which is 2 ply by 3 ply. So they give starch to the saris so that it will be little bit strength, so the saris will have little bit strength. थैंक यू Mayadar Babu और रत्ना बाबू, आपण टाइम बाहर करके हमको देखेले साड़ी दीटा को आमर समस्त आमर जो व्यूअर्स मान पाए. So I just want to thank Mahadhar Babu and thank you for to all our followers for tuning in. I hope you find our Kotha Bata session program is very insightful to all of you. So watch this space for more videos which I'll be doing in this coming months. And please leave your suggestion and comments comment in the suggestion in my Facebook page or in an Instagram page. If you have any questions, please let me know so that I can directly ask to the viewers and I can reply to you all. Thank you so much for the time. Namaskar. Namaskar. Thank you.